Ghana is driving towards an environmental revolution with the latest launch of its Recycling Redevelopment project, a transformative initiative that sprang up into action on March 3, 2025, under the visionary leadership of President Mahama. The president instructed the environmental minister, Ibrahim to spearhead this project aimed to turn waste into wealth, tackling Ghana's mounting trash crisis while creating jobs nationwide. Now let's break down this innovative project, and if it's confusing, don't worry, as I'll be giving you a detailed explanation of this project in this video, so be sure to stick to this video to the end. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video to inform more people about riveting projects happening right here in Africa, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated on all the current happenings on development. Now let's get right into the info. Under the directions of the President of Ghana, the environmental minister toured key recycling facilities, spotlighting Mahama's determination to build a sustainable future. The pivotal tour launched on Monday, March 3, 2025, when Ibrahim Ghana's Minister of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, embarked on a mission to inspect major recycling facilities, marking the start of President Mahama's Recycling Redevelopment project, under the Establishing a Circular Economy Framework for the Plastic Sector in Ghana project. He visited New Plast Eco in Katamanso, Universal Plastic Products and Recycling Limited on Temamoto Way, Sea Recycling Company at Trade Fair, and Zoom Lions Integrated Recycling and Compost Plant in Jamestown. He explained that the visit aimed to assess progress, identify needs, and ensure government backing hits the mark. This hands-on kickoff reflects Mahama's commitment to sustainable waste management, setting a bold course for Ghana's 32 million citizens. The roots of this achievement stretch back to Ghana's long wrestle with waste, a challenge Mahama's administration now confronts head-on. With 2.2 million tons of waste generated yearly, 80% is unmanaged per a 2022 World Bank report. Cities like Accra have faced clogged drains and polluted coasts. Past efforts, like the 2017 National Sanitation Campaign, laid the groundwork, but Mahama's vision, Launche post 2024 re-election, scales up ambition. The sanitation projects, seeded with international support like the it.This $2 million grant, a plague choking Ghana's rivers. The Minister for Sanitation affirmed that this builds on Mahama's pledge to cut landfill reliance by 50% by 2030, blending economic opportunity with eco-conscious innovation across Ghana's 16 regions. The facilities now advancing Ghana's recycling trace their spotlight to March 3, 2025, when the sanitation minister toured their operations, a gritty hands-on check under Mahama's directive. At New Plast Eco, he saw plastic waste reborn as paving blocks. At Universal Plastic, reusable goods take shape. Sea Recycling processed industrial scraps, and RIECOP melded composting with recycling at 600 tons daily. He affirmed that first-hand visits ensure funds align with impact, noting that he reviewed ministry projects to grab their scope. This wasn't just a walkthrough, it was a linchpin in Mahama's rollout, mirroring his infrastructural audits, with 300 tons of plastic waste yearly. These plants are Ghana's frontline, poised for a nationwide upgrade. Ghana's 14 million urban dwellers, projected to hit 20 million by 2035, have long battled a waste system overwhelmed by plastics and organic refuse, a burden this project seeks to ease. Mahama's Recycling Redevelopment promises cleaner streets and healthier ecosystems. The UN has noted that such efforts unlock jobs and sanitation, vital for a nation where 12% of waste is plastic. Mohamed, the Minister for Sanitation, emphasized that the goal is to deliver sustainable solutions and employment, a vision these facilities are already igniting as they turn waste into resources. Mahama's green push, seen in his solar investments, ensures that this isn't just a cleanup but a lifeline for Ghana's urban sprawl. The tour's success tested Ghana's logistical mettle, triumphantly showcased on March 3rd. Mohamed navigated dense Accra traffic and facility sprawl with Ghana's port reliance on Tema in focus for waste transport. He reported that the assessments were thorough, securing insights for scaling up. This mirrors Ghana's knack for coordination honed through trade hubs like Takoradi. The smooth execution from Katamanso to Jamestown sets a hopeful tone for regional expansion, reinforcing Mahama's proactive eye, fresh off his yet to be announced 2025 budget, prioritizing jobs and a cleaner Ghana. With the minister's tour highlighting these plans, Ghana's recycling capacity expansion is underway. A cornerstone of Mahama's redevelopment plan, Nelplat's 50 tons monthly output and Irrigop's 600 tons daily haul hint at scale, with plans for similar hubs in every region. Beyond this phase, Mahama envisions a network slashing waste by half, with training for workers and tech upgrades in tow. Zoom Lion's Kwame Siedu hinted that this isn't just about plans, it's about a system with jobs for youth and women. For a nation racing towards urban boom, this growth promises cleaner cities and a reimagined environmental landscape. Ghana's President John Dramani Mahama's Recycling Redevelopment project delivers more than waste relief. It's about to fuel economic and environmental gains across Ghana. Construction, processing and maintenance jobs are about to sprout, boosting local economies from Ashaiman to Jamestown. Recycling cuts Ghana's $200 million, which is the annual waste bill, aligning with Mahama's Paris Accord goals. Socially, cleaner coasts and streets lift tourism and health, linking communities to progress. This triple impact, economic, environmental and social, reflects Mahama's holistic vision, turning a waste overhaul into a catalyst for national pride and prosperity. Rolling out this ambitious project isn't without challenges, testing Ghana's resolve to deliver on Mahama's promise, coordinating multi-site logistics, as seen in the Minister for Environment store, demands precision, while ensuring plans meet standards requires oversight. Potential snags, supply chain delays or funding gaps loom, which needs robust planning. John Dramani Mahama's insistence on seeing facilities firsthand mirrors his proactive stance, tackling hurdles head-on. He cautions that incentives must avoid e-waste pitfalls, a pledge vital to the project's success as Ghana balances growth with sustainability. Ghana's Recycling Redevelopment project, launched under John Dramani Mahama's leadership in March of 2025, stands as a recycling milestone, captivating West Africa with its scope and grit. The Minister for Environment store and the facilities promised signals Ghana's drive to lead in green innovation, easing life for millions. This isn't just a waste fix, it's a bold statement of Ghana's potential to reshape its future, one recycled block at a time. What do you think of Ghana's recycling revolution? Will it redefine West Africa? Drop your thoughts below. Like this video if you found it inspiring, and also share it far and subscribe for more updates on Africa's bold moves. Check out this next video on impressive projects happening on the African sphere, and be sure to check out this next video on amazing projects which is happening on the African continent. Thank you and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.